Hey everyone! I spent another 24 hours finding the best and easiest free item you can get today, so make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this series. Also comment your Roblox username for a shout out and a chance to win my Robux giveaway. We just released a brand new My Singing Roblox game, and you can play it right now. Links in the description. It's fun, easy to understand, and kinda like Grow a Garden with extra features. Collect cute and awesome Sonics and show off to your friends or everyone in the server just how rich your collection is. Plus, we've got a secret free item coming in the next update, but only if the game hits 200 likes. So play it now, drop a like and stay tuned. The link is in the description so you can find it easily. I'd really appreciate it if you guys gave the game a try. Want to get a free item easily? It literally takes just 15 minutes and you don't have to do anything. Search and join. Steal a SpongeBob experience on Roblox. As I mentioned, this game just released a new cute free item and you can get it in just 15 minutes without doing anything. Let me show you how. Follow where I go. As you can see, all you need to do is stay in the game for 15 minutes to claim the free item. But before you join, make sure you've already liked the game and joined their community. Otherwise, you won't be able to claim it. There are 3,000 stocks available and it just released today, so let's grab it while it's still free. By the way, if you're worried that only one player per server can get the item, don't be. Everyone in the server can claim it for free, but you still need to be quick because the stock will run out fast. We've got just 3 minutes left until we can claim the free item. Keep watching because I'll show you exactly what it looks like, and if you skip, you might miss something important and end up not getting it correctly. Just 3 more seconds until we can claim the free item. Press the E button and wait for the free item prompt to appear. That's how you can claim it. You will get the SpongeBob Baby Plankton keychain for free just by waiting 15 minutes in the game. Let's check out a Robux method that still works and is completely real. If you redeem this Robux code right now on Cashbox, you can get 5 Robux. Keep in mind it's only available to the first 1,000 users, so act fast. Just type in the code and click redeem. Cashbox also has a card event where you can compete for a chance to win a share of 100,000 Robux, with up to 25,000 Robux going to top players. Another great way to earn Robux on the site is by completing simple tasks like offers and surveys. It's surprisingly easy. Try out Cashbox now using the link in the description and start earning today. If you want to get 2 new free items easily, make sure to watch this game. Search it and join the Roblox game of Strongman Simulator JLab. I know some of you already know this game, but as I mentioned, there are 2 new free items in this game right now and I'll show you how to get them easily. So first follow where I go and don't skip anything. Go here to view the 2 quests for each item. Now, as you can see, there are 2 types of quests. One is in this game and the other is in a different game called My Bakery. For the My Bakery, Google search and type https://clickprize.xyz/YT enter and free Roblox gift card and claim Robux now.